Hello, friends, and welcome to Shane's radio show. This episode, we'll be talking about the relationship between Canada and France and how it has continued and changed over the years. The first topic we will be talking about dealing with continuity and change is the 7-Year War. A lot of great powers fought in the 7-Year War, but my main focus today will be on Great Britain and France's involvement with Canada. The 7-Year War took place between 1754 and 1763, with the main conflict being in the 7-year period, 1756 to 1763. During the 7-Year War, France owned Canada and Britain owned the Guadeloupe Islands. During the war, France owned Canada and Great Britain owned the Guadeloupe Islands. By 1963, France realized that Great Britain were defeating them to the point where the French knew they had to surrender. At the time, France was more interested in trading goods such as sugar, which the Guadeloupe Islands had, and Britain was more interested in obtaining the most land they possibly could. So in 1963, both countries signed the Treaty of Paris, which would give Great Britain, Canada, and France the Guadeloupe Islands. This major event changed the cultural outcome of Canada because the majority of Canadians today speak English, while only 20% of Canadians speak French. What stayed the same after this major event was, even though Great Britain ruling Canada meant we would assimilate the English language, French-speaking immigrants would still immigrate to Canada, which meant the French language would still be amongst Canada in the later years. The second topic I'll be talking about today, dealing with continuity and change, is the Battle of Vimy Ridge. Before the Battle of Vimy Ridge began, Canada and the French were allies in World War I. Once Canada got word that the Germans were going to invade France, Canada was armed and ready by the French's side to help stop the Germans from invading. This event helped shape Canada into a more loyal country, which was seen by other countries, and it also solidified the relationship between the Canadian and French as allies.